You don't have to be perfect to be a good person. You don't have to have it all figured out to still matter. We live in a world that's quick to judge, quick to assume, quick to point out what's wrong. But not enough people slow down long enough to be kind. And kindness, it's not weakness, it's strength that doesn't need to prove itself. It's choosing patience when you could react. It's choosing understanding when you could walk away. Kindness don't make you smaller, it makes you whole in a world that's losing its soul. You never really know what someone's carrying. The smile you see might be covering something heavy. The silence might be louder than anything they could say. So when you choose kindness, you might be the reason they don't give up today.